Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok hashtags is not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. So in this scenario, there might be so many reasons for your hashtag is not working. If you are using an irrelevant hashtag to your niche, that might not work. And the other reason might be the right number of hashtag is not meeting into your post. In this scenario, if you are using too much hashtags in a single post, the hashtag might not work. And the popularity might also play very crucial roles into your hashtag. If your hashtag is not so popular, that might not work too. So, before putting a hashtag into your video, firstly you have to check properly that what kind of hashtag you are adding and the number of hashtag and also the relevance of the hashtag too. And you can also find the hashtag into so many web browsers and search engines and also use the AI tools to find the relevant hashtag for your TikTok content. And after doing all that carefully, your hashtag might work properly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.